Hi, I'm Jacob, aka The Plant Prodigy, and today I'm going to be answering your questions you have asked me over Facebook. Hannah Ward asked, do you use any rooting hormone when propagating? Answer, I use Bone Tone 2 rooting powder. Right here. Samantha Gross asked, have you ever had a problem plant that did not seem happy no matter what you did? Answer, yes. My Nepenthes Miranda rarely produces pictures, even in the summer. Hannah Clinford asked, when do you know when to water your rubber tree? Answer, according to apartmenttherapy.com, the plant should be kept moist during the growing season and during dormancy in winter. When the plant slows down in growth, watering should be reduced to once or twice a month. Emily Burns asked, what was your first plant and what plant is on your wish list? Answer, the first plant I got is a little bit of a mystery because I've been into plants since I was really little. But the first plant I got that's in my collection currently is this Nepenthes ventricosa right here. I got it almost 3 years ago at Lowe's in June of 2017. The plant that is currently on my wish list is right here, the seeds are. It's Coteria calyx motoris, also known as Desmodium gyrans, or the telegraph plant, or dancing plant. I have tried and failed with germinating these plants over the last several months, but from trial and error, I think I know how to germinate these seeds, which is why I'm not planting them until at least late May. Shemay Melly, if I pronounced that name right, sorry if I butchered it, asked, what plant do you find easiest for beginners? Answer, there are many good plants for beginners, but the one I recommend is Golden Pothos. Bridget Nash and Schnella Gabnon-Sette asked about Monstera care. And the answer to that is, according to Dave Les Spencer, who replied to both of you, Monstera typically like a sunny window with regular rotation of the pot and lots of water. Bridget Nash, I think it might be either underwatered or overwatered and or be getting too much or too little light. Snella, if I pronounced your name, Gabnaskinsky, I recommend using filtered water, and if you can, let the water sit overnight so the chemicals can evaporate. I don't let the water sit overnight, but I have a reverse osmosis filter. Nick Palmbad asked, hello Jacob, do you ever feed your plants fish and seaweed? They seem to love it. Answer, no, I haven't, but maybe I'll look into it. Erica McCall Cons asked, when do I start planting my annuals outside? Answer, it depends on where you live, but I checked your bio, and because you live in northern Ohio, I would recommend planting them in mid to late May. Sarah Wagner asked, how often should I water my lucky bamboo plant? Answer, Dracaena centrosanii does not like to be soggy and dry, and should be kept moderately moist. To check, stick your finger about an inch into the soil and water if the soil feels dry. Kelly Simmons asked, is there better plant food out there, or is just water okay? Answer, I recommend adding fertilizer to the water. One brand I recommend is right here, and it's Fultz 15, 10-15-10. Peter Palmbid asked, can I cut a tall 3 to 4 foot cactus in half? Answer, yes you can, but you need to disinfect the wounds. You can even propagate the other half of look at the instructions online. This is The Plant Prodigy. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye.